God is saying to you today to pack your bags, my friend. He wants you to start preparing because He is moving you into new places. So, this could be a new home, a new job, a new career, a new industry, whatever it is. It's not just about physically moving locations, it's about moving into a new era, a new chapter where you're going to experience stability and belonging for maybe the first time in your entire life. And for those who don't know what stability feels like, it's going to feel completely different than anything you've ever experienced up until now. This is where things start to really work out for you because you're operating from a place of groundedness, strength, resolve, and resilience instead of reactivity, impulsivity, going over to the dark side way too often. Like, this is about staying in a very stable place and operating from that mode because that's where things really start to take hold. And then from there, it only gets better, and your nervous system expands and it's able to hold more. So, at this point, you need to make room in your life by clearing away old things, old baggage, old clothing, clutter, anything that has served its purpose and needs to be let go, needs to be gone at this point, because all it does is take up space and prevents new energy from coming in. So God is moving you forward whether you're ready or not. So you might as well take that leap into the unknown, to start getting ready, to start packing your bags, to declutter, to get rid of old wardrobes, because the more that you let go of this old identity and the less you cling to it, the faster you'll become who you're meant to be. And that person is somebody who roots their life in peace, and everything flourishes around that. Your job flourishes, your finances flourish, your relationships flourish. Every area is filled with love and prosperity. And then you become super successful. You have longevity, you have vitality, you feel better, you look better, and people are starting to notice the changes that are already taking place within you. And if you want to lock this in, most people don't lack discipline. What they lack is structure and guidance. And this is everything that we're doing inside of the Intuitive Alchemy Academy. We are going through a 28-day identity alchemy challenge that makes small shifts towards the dream version of yourself that you feel called to in a very structured, practical way. And it holds you accountable the entire time. And so I want you to go ahead and grab that from the link below and to join us with a 7-day free trial to get the Intuitive Alchemy identity map, blueprint, and tracker. So that's linked below. You could grab that all for free by joining with a 7-day free trial. Otherwise, I'll leave it at that. If this resonated, let me know. Hit that like button and send it to others to spread the blessings because they too need to know this message. Otherwise, I love you so much. But remember, God loves you more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.